Hi, I'm Jadyn. Welcome to my TED Talk. So first of all, I did Fight for Flight, how wings size, length, and mass can affect like the flight of gliders and stuff. So first of all, we have to kind of understand about flight a little bit. There's three things that we should know. There's a wing aspect ratio, which is this, like the span of the wings compared to the width. So like if it's really long and really thin, then it would have a high aspect ratio. If it was really short and thick, then it would have a low aspect ratio. Then we have wing loading, which is the total weight of an aircraft divided by the area of its wing. So it's basically like how heavy the wings are in the thing. Yeah. And then we have lift, which is what allows mechanical things to fly, basically, because we can't do it naturally. Which is just if air speeds up, pressure is lowered, and then the air goes faster over the top of the wings, which causes a low pressure region, which allows it to stay up in the air. So for my project, I wanted to see if how drastically the length and mass of the wings would affect like the gliding distance of a model airplane. So the reason I did this was because I'm 17 and I don't know what I'm doing with my life, and I needed to figure out like if I was interested in aerodynamics and stuff like that. And so I was just like, okay, that's kind of cool, let's do it. So yeah, my hypothesis was if the mass of a gliding object increases, then the length of the wing needed to glide the same distance will also increase, just because like the nature of like the weight and like how much it'll be distributed. Unfortunately, I didn't really come up with much significant outcomes. So I had 4 airplanes, I guess, 4 gliders, and then I threw them from like a measuring tape on the ground with no weight, and then I added weight along the way to see like if it would affect how far it would, and it did with like the paper clips, but only between like the really small amounts and the large amounts. There was no like individual like significance between like adding 1 paper clip to each wing. So that's what I got. Yeah, that's about it. And then I also shortened and elongated the wings by like adding area to them, and that really didn't affect it at all either. So that was kind of unfortunate. But yeah, thank you.